Yeah, fireworks. Do you like the fireworks? Do you like them?
Mama's doing.
I don't know what Mama's doing. What is she doing? She's being silly. We're trying to talk to Hopper. Yeah. That's right. So what? Were the fireworks noisy?
Bang, bang, bang.
They were, yeah.
Bang, bang.
They were very loud, wasn't it?
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah. Do you like them?
Bang, bang.
They did lots of banging. Do you like the fireworks?
It's gone now.
It is gone now, yeah? There's no more? There's no more fireworks, are there?
It's off.
It is off, that's right, yeah?
And it's all gone.
Yeah.
It's all gone.
It's all gone now, yeah.
It's all gone. Perfect. It's all gone.
That's right. What are we going to do on Dada?
It's home.
I don't know.
Home.
Went home. Did he go home in the sky?
What are we going to do on Hopper and Dada Day? What are we going to do? Well, maybe, but what do we do? We went to
Swimming.
Swimming lessons. Do you like swimming lessons?
No, perfect. Perfect.
Not fireworks anymore. They're all gone, aren't they?
Perfect.
You want to see fireworks again?
Yeah.
But they're all gone now, I think, aren't they?
No.
Are they not?